Hey guys, this is Sam from GHL Code, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add section divider on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so let me show you step by step. So in this page I have already added my elements and everything, and I'm going to apply a cloud divider on the top section, okay, at the bottom of the top section. Okay, so as it's a cloud divider, so I think the background can be the blue like this, and then I will add the divider here. Okay, so I will add a new row and then the custom code, okay, option, and then I will add the code here. Okay, so let me grab the code from our GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, so here is it. Just copy and then go back and paste the code. Okay, here is it. So now one more thing I want to show you. So every time you add a section, you can match the section divider color with your website theme or the design you need. Okay, so in this case the cloud divider by default has white background color. Okay, so as my section background is blue, so I think the cloud divider should be the white color. Okay, so that's why I added the white color by default, but you can change this color as you wish. Okay, so all you just need to find this option. Okay, so let me show you. So here is it. Okay, so fill, you see here, fill, and then the percent sign 2 3, and after that I have 6F, right? So that is actually the color code for white. This is the hex color code. So you just need to replace this color code if you like to change for the cloud section divider. But for all of our section divider, you will find the option to change the color. So every time you change it, change the color, then all you just make sure that you keep the percent sign 2 3. Okay, and then you will find the 6 number or 6 alphabet or mix of alphabet and numbers. Okay, all you just need to replace that option. Okay, with your color code, and that's it. And one more last thing you need to do, just copy this CSS selector. Okay, so for all of our section divider, you will find a default selector, okay, like this. Okay, all you just need to copy and add the section, go to the section advanced tab, okay, and then add the class to your custom classes. Okay, that's it. And then save it and then preview. If you find any problem, then you need to make sure that you applied the code properly. Okay, but the step is very clear and very simple. Okay, so first step is you need to select where you want to add the section divider. Okay, in my case I am going to add the section divider at the bottom of this section, so that's why I added code snippet here. Okay, and here is the code snippet. And then the next thing you need to do, adjust the color. In my case it's white color, but you can change it. And then the last last option is you just need to copy this CSS class and then apply the CSS class to your section advanced tab. Okay, just select the section, go to advanced tab and add the custom CSS class. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's very straightforward and very simple step to apply any section divider we have in our code library. Okay, let me preview it. If everything goes well, then we should have the section divider. Yeah, here is it. So now you can see the section divider. So one more thing I want to do, like you can see after the button, the space is very small. So I will add a little bit space here. Okay, so I will select the section and I will add 20 pixel margin top, okay, of the section divider, and then I will save and preview. If everything goes well, then we should have enough space. Okay, let me do. Yeah, click on preview. Yeah, now we have enough space. And this way you can actually apply any divider from our code snippet library. As I said, it's very simple, but still if you have any questions, if you get stuck to apply the code, then feel free to send us an email or contact our support. We will help you to implement that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.